bundled up with a packet of emotions. A parcel arrived at my doorstep. Without knocking on the door, delivered the stuff labeled mixed emotions on loop and left. An hour later, I opened the door to be in parts unknown. What I witnessed was completely mind blown. There was a massive box with an eye catchy note, floundering at me like somebody somewhere provoked. The message addressed: Hi, lady, it's time to know yourself. Good luck with your self discovery journey. Astounded, amazed, bewildered, and doesn't seem to be in a peaceful state of mind. This is where the journey of haphazard me began to interrogate myself for a while. Clueless for the answers to all questions, I was furious and agitated. Observe, listen, sit back, and most importantly, stay calm. Tried all the way to solve the mystery that I depicted. Who might have delivered the parcel? When did it arrive at me? Why there was a special note? What does it want to convey? And innumerable strings of questions attached at the top of my head, where the ultimate inquisitiveness couldn't be misled. With the nightmares I painted and the assumptions I assembled, one thing was crystal clear. The parcel was a huge tornado jumbled up with mixed emotions. That made me open the parcel, wrapped in a loop of my repercussions. I began to open the loop attached to every single emotion. Just like you detangle every strand of your hair with the hope to look elegant and dress with flair, it worked for me the same way. A vague ray of sunshine was visible far away. Enclosed inside, one after the other, were a series of emotions. In an orderly manner, anxiety initiated with no hesitation. At the same time, the spark of anxiety was magical and diminishing. Unknowingly, I engulfed a pang of anxiety that was relishing and destroying. Sooner than that, it broke me and tore me apart, erased my happiness to put me down. Slowly and steadily, I was drowning and screaming my fears out, until I realized it was all within me. Nobody could feel, nobody could listen, nobody could calm. It's me and only me. For I wished to escape the rest. I never wanted to give up until I gave my best. Although I knew I wasn't alone, part of me was intimidated, part of me was bracing my strength. I took it all courageously and stood up fiercely. For that, I always believed to fight back against my weaknesses. Great job! I rewarded myself with this affirmation every time while confronting my deepnesses. But who knows better than me? Battle with self is not as easy as it seems to be. Oh, we were talking about the parcel. My messy mind took you a different story in a nutshell. Do you want to know about the next emotion in the loop? One of the near and dear ones of anxiety. If you might have guessed it right, correct. It's anhedonia, the inability to feel pressure. Oh no, don't worry. It won't take you to a sad story sympathizing with the person expressing these emotions. I never understood the meaning of it until this emotion took charge of me a bit. After all, one happy-go-lucky person wouldn't understand the statement that only certain things in life can make you happy. In the pursuit of my happiness, I would struggle at every moment. Efforts are great until made at every single breath. Nonetheless, I knew the worth of making every effort count. I did, and I made things happen. Realizing that this loop of mixed emotions is making me stronger and better. Outstanding marks in post-graduation, a decent entry-level job. What a Kickstarter. But do you think was it this trouble-free? Belly love to those who have to believe that the answer is yes. Don't be silly. It still had the loop of mixed emotions in progress. Before entering the next one, there's a short story I want to begin. Decent entry-level job. You heard that right. Let me exert the attempts to relieve the blight. Chosen a dynamic field of work to challenge me was the ultimate fight with my introverted side. But the action was taken simply by interacting. I failed miserably with a simple action to work alongside. Sudden change in my attitude, which I was reflecting on. couldn't remove the self doubt that was constantly waving upon me, at me, at my discomfort. All at once, I saw all my emotions, those which I encountered readily, making fun of me, inhibiting me. Eventually, these emotions amalgamated and led to inferiority complexities. However, just the same stubborn me fought back with all. Happily, I was facing my disasters, but my life is more distorted than mine. She wanted to expose to me more vulnerability. Emergency applied to a sudden unforeseen situation, leading to a loss of my job facility. My priorities were clearly defined, but my heart was merely destined. Things for great life for a great start. But who knows the ambiguities when and where arrives? In a situation of work life balance, I chose life over work. I chose family over my passion. Unpredictable and unprepared as to how things are dealt with. The last emotion on the loop was unfolded. With no pain, no fear, no worry, no happiness, there was numbness. Numb to my thoughts, numb to my actions. Even so, I'm prepared for the worst. I was putting together to pass my probation for a sustained job alert. What was constructing is idea of passing my probation for a sustained life to reassert. Thankful wouldn't be enough for it. Despite the shortcomings, I would rate this product 10 on 10. Paired with positive reviews on the product, I knew the answers to all my questions then. The parcel was delivered by a supernatural being, perhaps an angel. Probably the parcel arrived then, when I began to face the dilemmas enabled. The special note enhanced the meaning of the outcome, communicating a beautiful message, for me going against my originality and bringing back the new and enlightened personality.